Mark T. the Handyman. Today we're going to try to fix this sprinkler. It's been moved around from lawnmowers going over it and people tripping over it. Never was installed properly. So we're going to dig this up and straighten that out and put it down a little bit lower. A couple of tools you're going to need is a landscape spike to hold the sprinkler in place, and a hammer, a tamper to tamp the dirt when we're done, a sledgehammer to tamp the dirt at the bottom of the hole that we're going to dig, a shovel to dig the hole, and then a piece of cardboard to keep the dirt on. So if you look at this, you can see that how this slants over. Okay, it's because the riding lawnmower would go over it because it was so high. It's definitely above where it should be, and people walking on it, it's a tripping hazard. So we're going to try to, like I said, put it down lower and straighten it up. So first off, we're just going to take the sod all around it and see if we can get that out of there. So what I did was I dug all around it, but before I dug, this was faced this way, so it would shoot high on this end and shoot into the grass right there. So what we're going to do, like I said, we're going to lower it and straighten it, okay? And the way I'm going to keep it lower is I've got these yard spikes. I'm going to put one down here to keep it down, and then I'm going to put one in the back of it to keep it straight. So we're going to do that, and then we'll start putting the dirt back in. Okay, so I got the sprinkler in place. It's much straighter and it's underneath the surface. If you look close, I've got that one yard spike that's holding it down, and on the other side I've got the yard spike that's holding it straight, and that should work with the dirt and all around it also. I'll probably throw some stones down there too. So like I said, I have an abundance of stones around our pool, so I just scoop some of those in there, and that'll keep it a little bit more secure than just the yard spikes. So there's our sprinkler head. It's put in the ground now, and I've got the dirt all around it along with the rocks on the bottom. And for the bottom rocks and dirt, I used a sledgehammer to tap them down. And then for the surface, I used a dirt tamper or lawn tamper or surface tamper, whatever you want to call it, to get it flatter. Now let's turn the sprinklers on and see if it works. Okay, so the sprinkler pops up, and it's definitely sprinkling much higher and straighter on this end. So that's that one. All right, I'm in the shadow here. It's going to come all the way around. Then we got another one all the way over here, and we're going to shut this one off. And this one is similar to the other one, except it's not crooked. But if you look at it, it's above the ground. I don't know if you can see that, but you step on it all the time, you hit it with the lawnmower. So we're going to lower that one. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because it's the same exact process, really. But that's how I'm going to do this one too. So we'll fix both of these today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.